Hello, this is Sandy with Reno Web Designer. I wanted to show you real quick how to add me as admin on their Google Analytics account. So make sure you log in, you choose the right domain name, all right? And then on the bottom left, you'll see that cog, that bright orange wheel, just click that. And then in the first column, click User Management. And then click the plus sign in the top right-hand side and click Add New Users. Please use the email renowebdesigner@gmail.com, and then scroll down and just click this first button. This first button will automatically select everything. I don't need to manage users, but then click Add. And once you do that, I'll get an email saying that I have access. So if you have any questions, you can call and text me or email me. All right, thank you so much. Have a good day.